Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to brush my dog's teeth. Now my dog is 4 years old and as of yet has never had his teeth brushed. I know, I'm a dental hygienist. However, my last dog would not only let me brush his teeth, I could Cavitron his teeth, so I could actually use an ultrasonic on his teeth, which was amazing. He would just lay there, we put a towel kind of over his face to keep the water out of his eyes, and I would just clean his teeth and it was awesome. He had the best teeth. This little guy barely lets me cut his nails and trim his hair, so this will be interesting. I got a recipe from a friend, and so we're gonna make our own toothpaste today at home. I will give you guys that recipe. It'll be both below, and I'll include a shot of it. And I will show you kind of how we make it. We're gonna see what Tucker thinks of it, and I guess let's get going. Okay, so today we're gonna make some doggy toothpaste. Our ingredients are coconut oil, baking soda, charcoal powder, salt, bouillon. I'm going to use vegetable today because I didn't have any beef, fresh or dried parsley, this is from my garden, and water. So you're just going to mix them all together. We're going to start with our dry ingredients, so let's do salt first. So it's half a teaspoon of salt and 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Like I said, I'm doing vegetable bouillon today. You could use beef. I didn't have beef, so we're just going to use a cube of this. Teaspoon of dried or fresh parsley. So this is right out of my garden, and it snowed yesterday, so I actually had to get this out of the snow, which is kind of fun. My parsley just grows like weeds around here. It's pretty amazing. And it doesn't say in the instructions, but I'm actually going to chop this up just a little bit. And on the baking soda, a lot of people, like when we were in school, we were taught no baking soda, it's too abrasive for the teeth, whatever. You're starting to see it actually in toothpastes again, because that has been proven to be untrue, which is great because it is good for the mouth. Let's see, it was 1 teaspoon? Yes, 1 teaspoon of parsley. There's also a teaspoon of water. And do I want to add charcoal in now? I don't think so. I'm leaving the charcoal for last because it just gets everywhere. Let's do our coconut oil. So it's 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Assuming it's gonna be about 4. You can see how it just gets everywhere. This stuff is amazing though. Like, I love charcoal. My family uses this stuff all the time for upset stomachs and spider bites and all kinds of things. Yeah, let's go 1 more. And this will help freshen the dog's breath. Stir everything together and be real gentle because again, that baking soda and the charcoal are gonna kind of get everywhere at first till you get the oil worked in. You can add a little more water if you need to create a better paste. So we'll just kind of see how this looks, and then we'll add more if we need to. Okay, so there you go. Black toothpaste going on there. So you seal it in an airtight container and you can use it daily until it's all gone. And let's just find out what he thinks of it.
Come here. Let's see what Mama made. What's this? Let's see what you think. Hi, what do you think? Oh, is this smell good? Oh, you like it? Oh, good. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Can you sit? Sit. Let's get your toothbrush. Yeah. Toothpaste. Good boy. Nice big glob there. Oh, come here. Sit. Sit. We'll just lick it. Stop and lick it. Good. Okay, oh, we like it. That's good. Can I nurse it back to your teeth? Can you get a little bit in there? Yeah, no. Come here. That tastes good? Yeah, that tastes good? I'm gonna double dip. Oh yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah, we got a little brushing going on. Yeah, a little brushing going on. Yeah, that's pretty good. You got some peanut butter on your face. No, don't like that. Come here. Sit. Oh, so good boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice charcoal. Yeah. Yeah, awesome. What do you think? That pretty good? Yeah. Alright. I think we got a winner. Yay!
Okay, well that went way better than I expected. He liked it. When I turned the camera off, he was actually wanting more, which was cool. So I let him kind of play with the toothbrush a little bit more over the next few days. You know, I'll keep it going and we'll just see if he'll let me in. He is getting a little tartar on those back molars, which is fairly common for, you know, kind of the 3-4 years old in a dog. So we're gonna start doing a toothbrushing daily. And, you know, again, dental hygienist, I really should be brushing my dog's teeth. So do you brush your dog's teeth? What do you use? Are you using a commercial toothpaste? Are you making your own? What did you think of the recipe for this one? I thought it was interesting. Like the bouillon, I wouldn't have thought to put bouillon in there, or parsley. So, but he didn't seem to mind it at all. He actually really liked it. Like and subscribe. I will see you guys next week. I do have some new videos for next week. We are either gonna go on a tooth fairy journey. I'm working on a tooth fairy book. Or dental history. So would you rather get like daily snippets of dental history? Because I have the coolest book that we can go through. Or we could do, you know, like a tooth fairy, kind of like a continuing story. If I could come up with some different chapters or something, we could, you know, do one of those a week or you know, every couple of days or something. So vote below, tooth fairy or dental history. I can make both interesting. I love history. So let me know what you want to hear. See you guys. Take care.